I like to show you. Oh, they are loving each other. What a view! I think one will be male or another will be female. You both are loving. I've recorded in my mobile. I'll show you. Oh, it started flying. Oh my god, how beautiful is it? Hello and welcome to all of you. I'm Gold and you're watching Glossy Gold. So today I'll show you some nature view. I've come at my village and right now I'm at my mango groves. Here you can see a lot of trees, You'd be able to see, I hope you can see, there are fields. Right now I'm at my mango groves, and here you'll get a lot of mango trees of different varieties as well. I'm enjoying a lot. The nature is so wonderful, terrific, magnificent, and unimaginable. So I thought like I should make a vlog there. So I'll upload the video on my YouTube channel, so you guys will be able to see how good is it. So I would like to show you all the views of it. I hope you'll enjoy a lot. So let's get started. See, it's a field. Here wheat is grown and rice also. See how beautiful is it. And now you're entering in mango groves. Here you'll be able to see a lot of tree, and apart from the mango groves there is a river. I like to show you as well. See, I'm coming here. I'm racing slowly, and now you'll be able to see a river. See, it's the river of my village. There are girls, they are looking at me. I don't know, they would be thinking like, what is he doing? But I'm switching a blog, no worry about it. Here, see, it's a river. See, it's a big river, and at the month of October, November, Chhat Puja is celebrated here. And you'd be able to see there is a temple. I'm gonna zoom it. See, it's a temple of my village, and Durga Puja is celebrated here. It's a big field, and the tree you'd be able to see on your mobile screen. It's my mango tree. See here, it's a beautiful view. Now move towards mango groves. See, I would like to show you all the view of it. It's so beautiful, incredible, magnificent. See, I'm reaching slowly, and I'd like to show you all the views of it. Wow, what a nature. It's really wonderful to spend your time around nature. Nature is something, it refreshes your mind. Nature is something, it will give you confidence that we are human beings, but we should love to our nature, because nature is something we can take fresh oxygen, fresh air, and it will be helpful for your body as well. See, I'd like to show you the upwards view, and it's the month of April today, 24 April. There are a lot of small mangoes on the tree, but the day before yesterday, a lot of mango you'd be able to see on the ground. See, it was roasted because of the heavy air and rain as well. See, it's mango. You'll be able to see a lot. See, so move towards, you'd be able to see that field as well. See how beautiful it is. I'm really enjoying. Oh, a lot of small mangoes. See, wow, it seems like ball. I'm a cricket lover. I can play a catching style as well. See here, I'm not showing you. Why do you look to me continuously? See here, See here. If I'll go that side, so I'll have to walk into this water by foot. In that case, I'll be able to go that side. That side is my village, and I'm on the corner of Sadhva. It's my mango groves. See, she's thinking that his. Okay, now move towards. Here you can see many people with their buffaloes. They are watering it. See, I'm at mango grove. See this tree as well. I hope you are enjoying a lot. See how good is it. That's a terrific, wonderful nature. When you see green, it's effective for your eyes as well. See, there is a tractor. It's that side of river, and you'll be able to see there are a lot of people. They are watering. They made to wash their buffaloes. And you'd be able to see this building. It's not a building, it's a government school, and the students from 1 to 7th or 8th they study in that school. I'm talking about villagers. See, move towards this side. See, I'd like to show you some views as well. It is mine mango groves as well. I have a lot of groves at my village, and apart from village as well, you'd be able to see my fields. I just come occasionally for roaming here, but whenever I come, I enjoy a lot. You won't trust, you won't believe it, how happy I am today. See, what an environment! Oh my God, I would like to show you something. There are a lot of mango grow. See, it is roasted by the heavy air last night. See, it is roasted. So you must have seen it. See, okay, move towards. You can see the view of it. It's magnificent, really. You'd be able to see it. Oh, I'd like to show you the big view of river. It will come a great view of this side. See, wow. There is a pool. It is incompleted. It wasn't completed. You are seeing the view of my village right now. And this is a government school. This is a primary school. A small child go there for studying. And see here, a woman is stretching their buffalo. It is saying, no, I don't want to go into river. She's saying, no, you'll have to go. I was just kidding. See, there are a lot of goat. Are you able to see goat? See, I would like to go near of it. I'm just trying to pretend the voice of goat. How? Let's see. Hey. Hello. Oh my God. It started flying. A lot of goat. Hey buddy, we're fleeing. I'm not your enemy. I can be your friend. See, I hope that you must have seen it. Now I said move from here. I like to show you. Oh, they are loving each other. What a view. I think one will be male or another will be female. You both are loving. I've recorded in my mobile. I'll show you. Oh, it started flying. Oh my god, how beautiful is it? See the view of it. Wow. I'm really feeling amazing, outstanding, and there is no bunch of happiness for me today. See, you'd be see JCB. Wow. See, this is the person who is close to my home, and he has come in mango groves. They are cutting the trees because of the heavy air. Trees are fall down. कह दे छे फोन से ना फोन से कह दे छे ये मतलब गिरल छले ना guys, you can see here a big tree is falling down. So it's all about for today vlog. I hope you must have enjoyed it. So I'll come to take another good vlog for you. So now I got to go now. I hope you must have enjoyed a lot. So have a great day, enjoy your day, and have fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you again with another excellent video. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you.